Meaning of galvanize.
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 Galvanize. The word galvanize means to shock or excite someone into taking action, often through the use of stirring rhetoric or intense emotions. The term comes from the process of galvanizing metal, which involves applying a coating of zinc to protect it from corrosion. Similarly, when someone is galvanized, they are coated with a layer of motivation that drives them to action. This action can take many forms, ranging from political activism to personal growth and development. In short, galvanizing someone means inspiring them to act with purpose and determination.